So one of the reasons, actually, it's kind of an odd reason that we wanted this to be enclosed is because this patio has some slope to it and it actually pools a lot of water. And we couldn't figure out a way to fix the concrete, so we thought, well, let's just get rid of the rain and make it a room that we can use. So that's what we wanted, but we were very concerned about making sure that the front of the house was entirely visible because the stonework is quite beautiful. We wanted to showcase our front and protect our front, but that was something that was important to us, was to make sure it was a product that really did service to the house and didn't detract from the front of the house. Because, I mean, it's not just curb appeal for selling or buying or other people, it's our house and we actually kind of think it's beautiful. When we got to installation, it was actually really a pleasant experience. The guys that came, Ryan and Jose, were very communicative, were very honest, and actually I think they were really good ambassadors of your product because they clearly took time and actually wanted the product to look good. We had one neighbor come over specifically to say how much she thinks this looks good and commented the installation crew, even herself. So I would have no trouble telling any of my neighbors, and will, if they ask, or even if they don't, tell them where they can get a similar product, which is Lumon.